After we finish making this cake, this is the part where we are going to ice it. Like I said in my previous video, I am not a professional. I'm just that lady who is trying to do everything. Like, I don't want to spend money buying things, so I'm going to walk you through on how I ice this cake. Guys, it's going to be three of us making this cake today. You know, six of us made the cake yesterday. So today, three of us, we are icing it, which is Bianca, Mommy, and Latisha. So on this day, Bianca did not go to kindergarten because a day before this day, she was having a flu. So I decided to allow her to stay at home for 2 days just to wash her. So we are going to be making this together. And this is the powder sugar I'm going to use. I'm going to filter it, all of them. I'm going to be using 2 packs. So after doing that, after filtering the powder sugar, I put it aside, and this is my butter. I'm going to use I don't even know the quantity I use, but this is the full butter the way I bought it, but I just left a little slice behind, just like that. And this is how I slice it, and that is the milk I'm going to be using. It's a condensed milk, 7.5 fats. They also have 3.5, but I'm going to be using the 7.5 fat. And after I slice it, I transfer it to a bowl, which I just use my machine middle speed. I do it until it's smooth. So I start adding the flour bit by bit until I added everything. I used the 2 packs of the powder. So after I finish doing this, I put my vanilla extract. Yeah, just to add it to it. Yeah, it's optional. So I mixed it. The first mix I did, it was very light because I don't want inside to be too creamy. I added the cream to it, but I don't want it to be too thick. So that is why at first I mix it very light. So after I do what I was supposed to do, then I will be adding another a pack of powder sugar to it, just to make it a little bit harder. So this is when I was adding the milk, and it was really soft, like really, really soft. You see the mixture. So first I added the milk, it was okay. Then I made it very light because I know I have a extra a sugar. I was going to be doing it extra later. So just keep watching and see how we did it. I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Yeah, just a tablespoon, and I mixed everything together very well. Then before I start as cutting my cake, I remove the top, and I just, first of all, I slice it into 3 pieces. The cutting was not straight. I know the cutting was not straight. I said I was not a professional, but the reason for me doing this is I have been doing this. I said it when I was making the cake. Yeah, since I met my husband, I've been the one making their birthday cake. Since I started having my kids, since they started having their birthday, I've been the one making their cake. But I'm very good in making cake now. But the thing that I'm not that good is to ice this icing. With the fondant, I'm a bit okay, but the icing is not that okay. So yeah, after I cream it, I just cover it. See the way I put the three together. So after I cream it, I put it in the fridge. Then that was when I added powdered sugar to this one. So after that, I just took a little from this, because I was going to put what's it called, colored in some parts, and I'm still going to use the other one to cover it. So I mix it this way, then I just cut it just like this, and I put it in the other bowl close to it there, because I was going to be adding color to that one, which the Bianca was the one that chose the color. I think we use blue. Yeah, so we just drop of like 4 drops it was blue, a bit purple, sorry, purple. And we had it just first drop. I mixed it, so just like this. And this, see, you see the color, the way it is with the milk color. So after this, I brought the cake out, and at this time, the one I did before, it has already dried. So I just brought out the cake and I put the other one on top of it. And I started using this thing. I just ordered them. When I just look, as in the way I always buy these things, I have them. I just go online and just type things to make cake. When they come out, I just start buying them. I don't know which one I supposed to do, which one I need, which one I don't. I just buy everything. I even have the one they call cake knife. I have it. I have everything, but sometimes I just don't know how to use them. But I just, okay, let me keep doing it. So I keep smoothing it like this, and this is where I stop because I don't want to do more than this because I might end up just ruining it. So this is the, like, I say I always buy things. This is a lot of amount that I ordered also, and I have this polythene, have it much of it. So as a mom, in Germany, I decided to start learning a lot of things because one, the place where I had my kids were only, I think, four Nigerians there. So, and they don't know how to make cake. They don't know how to do anything. Like, I make my kids' hair, I make cake. So I have to be learning all these things. So, Germany in a city is boring, let alone you are living in a village. So I had my three kids in a very small village, and this thing really pushed me to start learning all these things, how to make things by myself. That I can make a lot of snacks, just as I'm not just filming them. I learned how to make all these things just in this YouTube. I learned how to make all these things, even how to hide it. I learned all of them here, and it's really helping me, and I'm happy I'm doing it. And yeah, I can even make it for someone. I even make it for one lady when her son was doing birthday. I was really happy doing it because I couldn't believe my eye that I'm the one doing it for myself, let alone doing it for someone. So this is the amount that I use. After I do this, the remaining one that is not colored, which is the one I used to cover it, I just put it in another clean polythene, which when I press it, I saw that it was already torn from the side, but I decided to just keep using it. I don't want to change it. I decided to just use it, and it worked out well. So I decided to just put the remaining one, just press it in it, because some of my kids, some of them like this what's it called? This icing. Some don't like it that much. I think Diamond and Bianca like it. It's only Victoria that don't like it. So I just keep putting it just to do extra. I like to try something new. I like to do extra, and it came out well. So tell me, what do you think? And as a mom, how do you make cake for your kids? Like, if you don't know how to make, do you return to learn? I will advise you learn, because really it is really good. You learn how to do all these things so that you don't have to pay too much. With just 20 euros, I made this cake, and so people will pay like 80, 70, even if it's 50 euro, they pay for it. But with just 20 euro, I was able to achieve this cake, and it tastes so good. So, guys, this is how I did it. After this, I just wrote happy birthday. So I wrote the happy, then I wrote BD, then I now wrote the other side daddy, because this pan, the tray that I used is not that wide. So if maybe if I was a professional, I would have known how to pimp everything. Like, I would have pushed this cake aside, so that I will have more space to do it. Because I'm not a professional, so I don't know how to do it. So I just do it the way it works, and I'm happy my husband also appreciates it. That's just the most important thing for me. So, guys, this is how it is. After this, I put it in the fridge, it got dry, and we do this surprise. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.